Hundreds of thousands of restaurants shut down in the past several months, and many more are on the brink. Why? Because they need a marketer to show them how to set up mobile ordering and delivery, how to set up a mobile ordering site, how to implement safe QR code touchless menus. See, it's no surprise people have grown accustomed to staying at home and ordering food online through services like GrubHub and Uber Eats, killing walk-in traffic. When they dine in, they don't feel safe touching old-school plastic menus many other people have already touched and don't return. To make things worse, those restaurants that have had no choice but to use GrubHub and Uber Eats systems to accept mobile payments are drowning in the high fees these big tech companies charge. They are desperate to do mobile ordering and contactless food pickup without giving up 30% of their profit to these exploitative systems. That's why we've spent 2 years coding the ultimate solution to keep amazing local restaurants open, and you get paid monthly for doing so. Introducing Forrk. Forrk is a groundbreaking cloud app that creates everything restaurants need to survive and thrive in a post-pandemic world. Set up online ordering for restaurants that can't afford to pay huge fees to Uber Eats, GrubHub, Deliveroo, and more. Create zero-contact menus and table payments for customers to feel safer when dining in. Save restaurants from closing while you get a monthly paycheck as their local marketing superhero. And more. Forrk can. Step 1. Find pre-qualified restaurant leads. The Forrk lead system will show you how to find pre-qualified local restaurants to sell Forrk services to. Find the best clients that need mobile websites, ordering systems, alternatives to GrubHub, and more. Step 2. Build their QR code touchless menu and ordering system. Then, customize, print out, or embed a QR code touchless menu that goes to a mobile ordering system for the restaurant client. When scanned, the QR code will load the restaurant's menu for their customers to view and order from on their phone, whether in the restaurant or from home. They can then order and pay with ease from the mobile menu that will be created alongside it. In addition to their smart menu and ordering system, Forrk can create a fully fledged mobile site for the client too. Pick from DFY templates and host the site on Forrk servers. Step 3. Build high-converting food listings. Then, populate their smart menu with the restaurant's food items and menu deals. Build high-converting intelligent food listings complete with descriptions, reviews, FAQs, videos, deals, and more like McDonald's or KFC do to boost profits. Step 4. Integrate touchless pay for mobile deliveries and pickup. Then, integrate the client's PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, or another payment processor, including manual pay systems to take no-contact payment. They can track order payments and delivery status of mobile or pickup delivery orders. The client's business gets saved while you collect a monthly fee for providing access to the app. Some unique features never seen before in any app include QR Touchless Menu Creator. Create QR code contact-free menus restaurant clients can print out and place in food tables, place in flyers, or embed on their website. Many customers will only dine in restaurants that are completely no-touch, so this is essential to have. Plus, customers can order food anywhere on the fly with a smart menu it links to. No more expensive GrubHub fees to place pickup or delivery orders. E-com Restaurant Mobile Site Builder. Choose from lots of gorgeous DFY restaurant templates to create and sell. Replace a restaurant's outdated HTML sites with our mobile-friendly, high-converting one fast. Everything is customizable to their brand. Point-and-click easy customization. Use our point-and-click editor to customize their smart QR code, mobile menus, products, websites, and more easily. Make everything look highly professional and customized exactly to the restaurant's brand. DFY Gorgeous Restaurant Themes. Choose from a variety of gorgeous DFY restaurant templates to create and sell. Themes include a number of popular food niches like Italian or barbecue. Plus, pick from niches outside of the food industry like spa or pets to sell mobile ordering services to any industry. DFY QR menu and product templates. Choose from lots of DFY smart menu and product templates in many different colors and food niches. Customize everything in just a click to make your smart menus and food listings look A+ and highly professional. Advanced menu and product customization. Customize everything you want about each product you'll add to the restaurant's new QR code mobile payment menu. Add descriptions, images, layouts, and even allow reviews for higher conversions. Integrate the client's payment processors. Integrate your restaurant client's PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe, manual payment account, and more with just a click. Allow the restaurant's customers to order online for delivery, pickup, or touchless in their physical location now. The restaurant client can then give refunds, check orders, check sales, and more through their payment processor account. Order monitoring and delivery. Allow the restaurant owner to track mobile payment orders and see the status of each order, including if the food order is in delivery or has been fulfilled. Email marketing integration. Capture emails of customers who check out using the touchless payment system and send them to the autoresponder of your choice or the local restaurant owner's choice to remarket food specials to. Create product variations and size. Add variations of products like large or small size. Plus, add on sides and customizations with ease. Forrk Lead Finder System. Find pre-qualified restaurant leads that are desperate for Forrk services. Using the Lead Finder training, we'll show you step-by-step how to find them so you're never without an agency client again. And even more features like fully cloud-based app, 24/7 support, DFY site hosting, client management system, fully tested, in-app training, frequent updates included, intuitive UI, 100% pandemic-safe solution. Okay, I know you're anxious to get Forrk with all of its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante and over-deliver a bit more. That's why we're going to make sure that you get the commercial license with your investment as a special bonus today. This allows you to sell the services from Forrk you make for any price you want to multiple businesses. Plus, you're getting the agency license as a special bonus today only. This means you can give access to the software for a monthly fee, easily charge $500 to $2,000 per month for access while they do all the work. Just 2 to 3 of these clients and you can have a thriving business you can run from the comfort of your home. Sounds amazing. I'm in. But what's the catch, you ask? The catch is, we cannot continue to offer Forrk for this ridiculously low price for much longer. To support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. So fair warning, the incredibly low price you see below will disappear soon. Don't let it slip away and end up kicking yourself later. And you're protected by our ironclad 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't agree this is the biggest opportunity now and Forrk is super easy to use, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. We know this business works. And we know our restaurant marketing suite makes it easy for you to capture leads and deliver monthly services to hungry clients, even if you haven't had any success before. We've done all the hard work for you. If you're not 100% happy, just open a ticket with our rapid response support. So don't let this amazing offer slip away. There has never been an opportunity in marketing this big and this important in a long time. Not only can you seriously grow your agency with our proprietary software, but make a huge difference in the lives of many struggling restaurant owners that don't have time to figure out mobile ordering systems and online marketing. Remember, this founder's deal will only last a little while longer. Go ahead, pick the license that's right for you now. Press the Buy Now button below to lock in your discount on Forrk today. Go ahead and press the Buy button now, and we'll see you on the other side.
In this video, we will go over how to use the groundbreaking proprietary Forrk software to run a restaurant agency business and help struggling small business restaurants stay open. It's no surprise that restaurants and other businesses that can't do mobile ordering for pickup or in-home delivery and implement QR code no contact menus are struggling to stay afloat. Even worse, those restaurants that have implemented GrubHub and Uber Eats systems to keep the doors open are drowning in the high fees these big tech companies charge to use their mobile ordering services. But for the first time ever, for small businesses, Forrk fixes all those problems and does far more in just a few clicks. To get started, let's create a new site and ordering system for a client by clicking My Store. Here you'll be able to start a new store and campaign by hitting Create New Store like this, or edit a previous client's restaurant campaign by going to Actions and Edit. For this example, I'll continue editing this ordering system and marketing campaign for the client Street Burgers. First, fill out their basic store information like name, logo, the main banner image that will appear on their smart menu, the currency, and store URL. Now this will be the URL that their smart menu and site will be hosted on using the Forrk servers. Note that you can also host and redirect this to the client's domain if they have one. Then let's start building their smart ordering menu system. Forrk will create a smart QR code for each store that, when scanned with a smartphone, will go to their menu site, complete with e-commerce checkout ability. This QR code could be customized and printed out to put in their restaurant for customers to view the menu on their phone. It can, say, be added to an in-home food delivery flyer for a repeat business, or just hosted online for people to order food on the go via their smartphones. Every part of the smart QR code menu can be customized, including the colors, text, ability to add store logos. And if you want the QR code to redirect to a different page than the default page, which is the smart menu, go ahead and enter a URL here. Then let's choose a gorgeous theme for their smart menu clients can order from after they scan the QR code. There's product menu templates and many hot food niches, with more being added each week. Let's go ahead and choose a burger smart menu theme, since we're going to be working with a client that makes burgers. Then we can begin customizing the food menu item theme in the color of the business branding that they have, say using red and pink colors if their branding is red. Then to view the smart menu website, just visit the direct link and we can see their site and begin ordering from it. Now, if the local business doesn't have a full-fledged website and wants to have a full high-end website with navigation, lead generation, and more, Forrk can supply that to them too quickly. Just go down to website theme and build out a full mobile-friendly, ultra-fast loading pro website quickly. Now remember, this can be done in addition to their already created QR code menu, which is already complete and ready to be sold to them. First, pick a template for their restaurant site. Forrk comes with premium templates in the hottest food niches and in small business, non-restaurant niches too, like spa or pet products. Because think about it, you can use Forrk for any business that needs to do safe online ordering. It doesn't just have to be food. So let's stick with this template and begin customizing it with point and click ease. First, customize their logo and navigation by choosing which sections and pages we want to display. The header section allows you to change the banner image and add videos for better marketing. Simply enter the banner image or the video URL to change it out. Then begin editing each section with the content and images, such as the About section, the reviews, their location. Just type your content, edit the colors and the photos, and at any time click Live Preview to see what the finished site will look like. Forrk's smart technology will auto-populate the food category section with the food items you assign to the smart menu. Don't like the layout of the website? Well, you can easily move each section up and down like this, or if you want this section to disappear, just toggle the check mark on and off. You can begin building out the restaurant's email marketing list with the autoresponder section, which is very important. Now click the yellow button to connect an autoresponder or webinar system, and then edit the offer section to showcase what the customer may receive if they opt in, giving you their email address, whether it's free offers, a special coupon that day, or more. Plus, each site comes with a smart QR code that links directly to their mobile ordering system that's easily accessible on the page. Customers can quickly scan it or click a link below it to begin their online pickup order or in-home food delivery with the business. Then when you're done, click Save and you can go to Actions and then the website page to view the website and get the link to it at any time. Now remember, their website will be hosted on our servers, so you don't have to pay for server space. But if you want to redirect it to their domain, just use the CNAME section and edit the details. It's easy to add retargeting codes for ads using the custom script section like this. Plus, you can clone the entire site for a new client or a second location without having to edit everything from scratch again. Now at this point, you're probably starting to wonder, okay, this is awesome, but how do I add specific food products to these smart menus and smart websites? First, make sure to create some food categories for each store you work with by going to the category section. For instance, we could sell burgers, sides, shakes, appetizers, any sort of category of food the client wants. Then go to My Products and hit New Product to create a new menu item for any store or customer that we're working with. Or just go to Actions, Edit to edit a previous food item we're starting to work on and want to further customize, like this. Now we can customize this food item and assign it to a specific smart menu or site. First, enter the food item's name, description of it, and upload an image. Then dive in deeper and add any offer text like 40% off today. Add star ratings if you want to it, product type. By assigning it to a specific category, it will then show up on the store's menu we assigned that category. This allows you to create a menu item once and then use it for multiple places on multiple stores if needed. Then add variations of the product, like a large serving size, a small serving size. Do you want it with a bun? Do you want it without a bun? Just like big corporate chains have. You can have add-ons that a customer would usually purchase with that food item. For instance, with a burger, you can have a can of Pepsi or have some fries on the side. Then take the menu to the next level by adding media to it, including pictures of it or videos. You can build out sophisticated high-converting menus just like McDonald's or Kentucky Fried Chicken have to significantly increase revenue. Finally, add some FAQs to each menu item, like information about refunds, and add customer reviews from, say, the local business's Google My Business page to help their menus really convert to sales far faster. Alright, great. So let's go back to the product dashboard. Now, if we want the food item to appear on the restaurant website homepage, just go ahead and check this home button here. And if for some reason the restaurant stops selling the item or it runs out for the day, just toggle the check mark to turn it off. To make sure you have the right order of food categories, just go to Settings, Category Reorder or Product Reorder, and then drag and drop the categories into place in the order that they should appear on the menu. Now, obviously, appetizers would be first and then dessert last, for instance. As you can see, everything is point and click easy for the restaurant that needs to work on the fly with Forrk. Okay, so now they're almost ready to begin taking orders. Now we need to connect their payment gateway and turn it on so that they can begin processing those mobile orders. Forrk is the only app that lets you connect clients Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, or do manual payment or other payment gateways for them to accept the orders, process the refunds, and a lot more. Now, you don't have to do a thing on your end. Simply hit connect. Either you or them can enter their information, and then the payment gateway is active. Assign certain payment gateways to specific clients. Now with Forrk, you're getting the agency rights, so clients can connect their payment gateways on their own by logging into the app. To assign accounts, go to the Manage Client section and hit Add Client after you set up their monthly payment plan to you. Either you can create and manage the smart ordering systems on your own, or just have clients manage everything by adding them in. Finally, you can manage their mobile ordering system by going to My Orders. Here, you or the client can see all the orders that have come in, the orders that are live and need to be delivered or picked up, and orders that have been finalized, and even canceled orders. To sort by a store, simply go to the navigation bar and choose the store you want to manage, or search by payment ID if the customer is calling in about an order. Everything is under one roof to fully manage mobile delivery and pickup systems here. You can collect emails from each client that purchases and manage them in the Manage Customer portal here. Export them to your autoresponder and see their order history as well. Manage subscribers to the mobile restaurant sites by clicking on subscriber and exporting them into an autoresponder if you haven't automatically set up one for the client yet. And finally, analytics allows you and the customer to see how well your mobile ordering systems are doing and saving them money. Now, as you can see, everything is here to run a restaurant agency business. There's never been a piece of software for marketing agencies and small business restaurant owners that does everything that Forrk can do. This is really groundbreaking. And remember, Forrk isn't just for food industries. Use this for local businesses that want to create smart mobile ordering systems, like spas, plumbers, pet shops, consultants, dentists, lawyers, and so much more. Anyone that wants to do no-contact ordering today with smart QR code menus. Everything is customizable and fully automated with no tech-savvy skills needed.